Hello everybody, Dan DiLisio once again from Naples Used Boats and Yachts, offering you another beautiful boat for sale. Here today we have a 2021 Robalo. It's the R272. Folks, if you're at the boat shows this fall looking for a new Robalo, you ought to come check us out. This one is almost near flawless. You can save thousands and thousands of dollars for a slightly used boat with only 56 hours on it. Lift kept by its owner. Detailed every 3 months. Folks, you can't get any better than this. She's a dandy. This one's offered with the side, like they all come, a side entry gate with the dive ladder. This one has a pair of Yamaha 250s, like I said, 56 hours, and it just had its 100-hour service done by a local dealership, the local Robalo dealership here in Naples. It's got the underwater LED lights. The engines were custom painted when the boat was purchased new, all white for a nice look. On the interior, it's beautiful, flawless. Here we have a factory T-top, fiberglass T-top with a powder coating frame. We have the electronics box up there and a power vent window. 3 windows wrapping it around you to keep you nice and dry. Beautiful Garmin 12-inch display unit. Here's your Yamaha monitoring system, all your switches, lane code trim tabs, Yamaha electronic shift controls, no cables, power assist steering. At the helm you have your flip down bolster seats, high backrests. There's a fold down aft bench seat that's easily foldable for 3 or 4 more people. Behind here you have your big deep circulating live well and a stainless steel sink. Underneath of that you have a nice igloo cooler on a track where you can just pull it out. In the decking there is a in-deck fish box with a macerator. That's where you put the big fish. Along the gunnels you have bolster cushions all the way around. She's a real beautiful boat. It's hard to find anything wrong with this one. The owner also has a forward sunshade, so when you're at the beach you can get some extra shade up here for your passengers. There's seat backrests for the front bow cushions. The cushions are removable. Forward of the bow seating there is a nice Lumar stainless steel anchor windlass with a stainless steel plow anchor. Pedal controls here at the bow. In front of the console there's a nice little seat there. It's built in. This is actually the door to the head compartment. You open it up and there she is. Nice marine flushing toilet system with a holding tank and a macerator discharge pump. Here's your forward bow table with filler cushion, and those are the stainless steel supports for the forward table. So you could turn this into a lounge right here. Well, there you have it, folks. Gorgeous boat. Come see me. My name is Dan DiLisio, Naples Used Boats and Yachts. Like our Facebook page so you can get updated inventory as I get them in. You can like and subscribe to YouTube video also to get the most recent listings, and this way you get an opportunity to save a lot of money from buying a new boat. Come see me. We'll get you in this gorgeous slightly used 2021 Robalo R272. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day on the water. Bye.